What's going down, my folks? What's going down? And you know we back with another video. I stay dropping that vibe. In this video, just like I say, and all my videos are for educational purposes only, you dig? It's going all the way up my way. And if you learn anything from these videos, I would appreciate it if you all like the video, share the video, and make sure you save the video because you might have to come back to it, you dig? So we are in Indiana Northern District Court, y'all, and we got big shit busting. This is an active federal court case that I got going on right now, currently in 2026, you dig? No affiliation with a bar card whatsoever. Y'all can see this is Mckenzie V Cremeans, y'all. Y'all can go check this court case out on Pacer if you got Pacer. You dig what I'm saying? The nature of this suit is a 440 civil rights. That's what they put, other civil rights. And this was filed April 10th of 2025, everybody. This was originally a state court complaint, and I removed this case to federal court. You dig what I'm saying? Under 42 USC 1983. For the First Amendment, the Fourth Amendment, the Fifth Amendment, and the 14th Amendment, y'all. And it's something that I want to show y'all now. Let's go out to all my people out there in the city of South Bend, all my South Bend Indianians out there, St. Joseph County, the whole motherfucking state. I'm showing y'all these people are crooked here in St. Joseph County, Northern District of Indiana, South Bend Division. And I told y'all I put in the opera request asking for the body cam footage of the events that occurred at my home on January 28th of 2023 when an officer came to my property and seized my truck, right? So the City of South Bend Law Department sent me a letter saying, hey, that footage is no longer, it doesn't exist, and it's no longer retainable. So I told y'all that we had like a pre-trial conference on the phone, right? In which they tried to initiate all of these fucking court dates and shit and let these people just continue on fraudulently. So what I did was record that entire hearing. I put that hearing on the record that we had on the phone, right? The attorneys, they ended up sending me initial disclosures in the mail, basically saying that they were gonna be using the body cam footage that the city had already told me was destroyed, y'all. And that was due like on the 18th, y'all, in which they sent it 3 days late. So I ended up sending this out, a motion to compel to the courts, because I didn't receive the paperwork on the 18th. So I had already sent this out. And this was really like the setup right here. You see what I'm saying? Just pay attention real quick. So they respond on record this time. Remember, I told you all the first initial disclosures they gave me, they sent it directly to my house. They never put it on record. You see what I'm saying? So we filed a motion to compel to make them put it on record, and that's what they did. The same documentation that they sent me personally saying that, hey, we're gonna be using the body cam footage that was supposed to be destroyed. Yeah, they're like, no, we're gonna be using that. And this time they sent it to the courts and put it on record. Boom. And that's when I hit them with this, y'all. Complainant's threshold affidavit of fraud upon the court, motion to withdraw document 40, motion to compel, and updated damages calculation, you dig? And y'all see the date on that. That's the last document that we put in. That was on April 3rd, 2026, right? So you know, I check it today, y'all. Today the 15th. This was put in on the 14th. That was yesterday. This is document 44, and look what they put in. Motion to withdraw as attorney for defendants. Defendants Dakota Cremeans, Mike Ingalls, Zachary Overton, and the City of South Bend, y'all. And that was put in by Peter J. Augustino. And I told y'all I've been fucking them up. Look, they even put in a notice of change of address and contact information for the other attorney. Oh, they scared to death. We got they ass by the balls. I told y'all we putting in real motherfucking footwork, real paperwork over here. My paperwork game is impeccable, y'all. For your info shit, like I said, no attorney, no lawyer. Let's get this shit, y'all. They cannot defeat us on any grounds. I'm showing y'all right now. I just made the lawyer know. Withdraw.